Hi, today we're in Scotland and we're driving around and we saw this wonderful farm store. We're going to stop, take a look around, see everything that's here because I want to see what a farm store is like in Scotland.
So we're walking around and we're walking over to the cows. They have these pretty belted Galloways.
Yeah.
A little furry right now. It's a little cold.
It's a little cool, yeah. But more of a winter coat. But I don't know, up here, do they ever drop the winter coat? I mean, it's cool. Today is cool and the temperature is always cool. We're not in the Highlands technically, but we're right outside of Perth. We're heading to the Highlands, so, you know, it's not too cold today, but it is a bit overcast. Everyone has on at least a jacket. Yeah. I wanted to get some of these back when we had a farm. I wanted to get some and Blair didn't want them. Yeah, when you have a herd of about 30 or 40 of these, this breed.
Very distinctive.
Very distinctive. Their white belt, they stand out. And you know, looking at the face, this one looks a little different than the ones I used to see in the US. This actually looks a little bit more like an Angus in the face, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah, it has a very Angusy look to it, which is not surprising considering that Angus is not too far from here. So they have this area where you can walk around outside. There's a path. You can see we're walking down this path here, and there's some sheep here in a paddock. So you have sheep on this side, and there's some more sheep and cows over on that side. And you have the belteds right here. Let's go in and take a look on the inside. It's a nice old tractor right outside the farm store. The tractor has a YouTube. Is that a C? Rawford's?
I think it says Crawford's.
Crawford's Farm YouTube. Yeah, the tractor has a YouTube. That's not how you ride a tractor.
No, it's not.
You don't side saddle a tractor.
Oh.
Oh, it's the old one, man. The clutch. Yeah. You have to match the clutch down to change the gears. Oh boy. This is an old tractor right here. So my American wants me to say Gloagburn, but I just asked an employee and they said it's more of a Gloagburn is the pronunciation for the farm shop. What do we have here? So the
Gloagburn Farm Shop is owned and run by third-generation farmers Ian and Alison Niven. Gloagburn was established in 2003.
That's pretty cool. All right, so let's go in, take a look around here and see what this farm shop has going on. First, coming in, I love the fact that they have the plants set up here. We're just selling plants? Yeah, hydrangeas, roses, some big heavy pots back here. Have a plant sale. Are there some sheds over here as well for sale? Or just no? That's just like out external dining area because there's a
Tea room.
It's a tea room here. This is a nice plant. I don't even know what this is. Look at that. Oh, it's a sedum. It looks really different because most sedums I see have really small leaves, but it's a big leaf sedum. Hold on, that's not a sedum. It just can't be. This is mislabeled. Has to be. Oh, these labels are not accurate. It could be a sedum. Yeah, I guess it is a sedum. Wow. Okay, let's work our way indoors. So a lot of people are here. It's a Sunday and people come in to enjoy a meal. We'll probably pick up some food here as well before we leave. Oh, this is what farm shop. Yeah, fruit.
The twins have been really loving raspberries right now, so these will definitely have to come with us.
Yeah, Kenzie's, she's definitely into. Hey, you know what? You want to get a buggy real quick? Just make sure we get that from jump. Yeah. Kenzie is in love with raspberries. I call it a buggy. It could be called a trolley. All right, here in the UK. Look at that, some fresh corn. Eggplants, leeks. I love leeks because they get so outrageously large. Yeah, Kenzie was eating raspberries yesterday. We were at a garden and they had raspberries and she snatched one. All right, more stationery. Some ceramics. I wonder if they have any books specific to like Scotland. I think that would be cool. B. and Brody's Magical Journey, featuring the art. Yeah. This looks, I mean, it says the Scottish Highland cow on the cover of that. I think this would be cool to buy a book that seems to be a bit more just Scottish specific. Yeah, let's get that. Now I hope that is a Scottish-based book. I'm basing it off of the cover. Hamish and Mirren. Yeah, magical Scottish stories for children. This is what I was talking about. Something that's just Scottish specific. But that's above the air. But Blakey could read that. Treasure Island, Black Beauty, Beatrix Potter, Peter Rabbit, The Tooth Fairy. There are a lot of nice items packed into here. Teacups. Clothes. The socks are cool. There's like the farmer on the socks. Yeah. I don't know if this would be my size though.
It looks like it'd be a little too small.
Yeah, I think it'd be too small for me. Oh, I hate that.
Really pretty.
They are nice. Oh, look at the ducks. Those are cool too, huh? I like the ducks. They're all going to be too small for me though. Way too small. I guess the Scottish have smaller feet. Okay, so there's the dining area over there. I wonder if they have a takeaway counter though. Okay, they do have a selection of pastries. They could probably do some takeaway on the pastries. Yeah, you see that tart with the strawberries? And then I bet you the other one is a lemon meringue, which is one of my favorite desserts. Oh my goodness, look at this apple and blackberry pie. I've never even heard of that before. Okay, we had to get a slice of that just because I've never tried an apple and blackberry pie. And then they have these strawberry tarts here. They have a lemon meringue and a raspberry white chocolate cheesecake. That's decadent. Of course, carrot cake, apple and cinnamon sponge. They have all the best desserts in here. And then of course there's scones, fruit scone, plain scone, cranberry white chocolate scone. Mixed nuts and truffle honey.
Yeah, that's what it says.
Oh my goodness, there's some of everything in there. Look at that. I've never seen that before. You ever seen that?
No.
They put the mixed nuts and truffles in the honey, made in Italy. That's gonna taste so, well, Braden can't eat that though because he's allergic to a lot of nuts. But apricot and honey, oh, that's gonna be, I never thought about flavoring honey like that. Raspberries.
Honeyberries.
Yeah, they even sell just straight honeycomb. You see that here? Tastes great, some honeycomb. Okay, that's good. We're not gonna get any honey. Okay.
Just regular?
Okay, and then just plain regular?
Yes.
Scottish. See, that's what I wanted. Like this was good, but it says made in Italy, which is great, but I'm in Scotland.
Yeah.
So I would want some Scottish honey. Different processing procedures to take different things out of it. Age has a lot to do with it. Like I like this one. This one looks really good, but wow, that's a lot. That's a 12 ounce. So this is kind of the grocery section here. So the farm shop has, I bet they're doing their own flour too. If you're doing your own oatmeal, I bet there's a lot of great flour. Scotland, the bread, look at that, Scottish flour. Cottage pies. What is this? Wow, look at this. Fruits of the forest strudel. French apple tart. I guess this is frozen. This is so cool. Apple tarts, sweet waffles.
White chocolate and pecan cookies. Look, already shaped so you pick out how many you need.
Yeah, look at that. So you got cookies in there, Danishes. Wow, this is what makes me want to wish I lived close by. They have all these pastries already ready for you. Now you could get some of these at like Tesco, but some of these you're not going to be able to get, like the apple French apple tart. Some of these are white chocolate and pecan cookies, double chocolate chip, white chocolate fondant. Oh, this is nice. You know, I really like this frozen, right here, perfect Yorkshire puddings, asparagus, quinoa. Yeah, so I love this section. And then of course, this farm shop has its own, has its own butcher. Look at those burgers. Beef sausage.
Those are venison burgers.
Venison burgers down at the bottom. Beef burgers here. And this is all before you get to the actual butcher's counter. Hello. Oh wow, these meats look so delicious. Look at this. Lamb kofta. Spicy lamb kofta.
mint and rosemary lamb. I think this is winning with me today.
Well, I'm looking at this black garlic and beef kofta. Look at those big pork beef steaks. Man, this butcher shop is, whew, these guys are on it. Okay, look what they got hanging to these, look inside these steaks hanging here. Dry aging, massive steaks. Okay, this butcher shop is legit. They know what they're doing, clearly. I just hate that we can't take any of it with us. Another selection of just honey and jams, chutneys. These are really nice. Oh wow, I got some cheeses here going as well. I didn't even know they had the cheeses. I knew they had the butcher shop in here. Some great cheeses. And of course, you can't have a farm shop without egg. They stamp every one of them as well. That's pretty cool. It's a lot of egg. A lot of great chickens up here in Scotland, I guess. I'm not sure. This Moroccan lamb pie. You want to take some of that? It does look good. And then, of course, some ice creams.
We're gonna get some pasties for everyone. We decided on the chicken tikka.
Okay, we'll take 4 of those and 2 of the pulled pork. Wow, look at this key ingredients. I love that, the fact they spelled key, the different spelling with it's a Q-U-A-I, but key ingredients. Spanish saffron. And I'm really attracted to this hot chili powder. That looks delicious. Add a little bit of kick to some of my foods. But I love the name, key ingredients. That's such a nice play on words. Gin and flowers, yes. So we may have gotten a bit carried away, but I will tell you what, I love farm stores because you can find items there that you can't find anywhere else. We're leaving with quite a bit today. It was a great experience. It was an hour and 15 minutes, well spent.
I have a strawberry tart to eat, a couple of pasties. Yep, this is a good shopping day. I'm glad we left when we did because we were both getting a little too excited shopping.
Picking up way too much stuff, but it's all good. It's fun. This is great stuff. Hey guys, if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, follow along. And you know any other great farm shops in the UK, drop those in the comments down below. We've done 1 or 2 before and we enjoy every time. And we'd love to do some more. So until next time, take care.